We call it the Harvest Assist app, and it's an app that ideally farmers would use to kind of keep track of their inventory and when they have to seed and harvest crops. And it'll also take in profits and calculate waste and stuff for you. Here's the dashboard. So the first thing at the top is it'll have four kind of categories of daily action items, things you need to do today. We also have the ability to opt in to receive these notifications as an email notification. So it's basically the same information, but just an email form for you. And then we also have some charts you can select by certain crops, and you can get the sales or the harvest or the loss information for those crops.
So we also have, this is kind of the crop planner section. Farmers can upload their fields. We have a pepper field here populated. Once you add a field, you can populate it with a CSV. So now we know what's in every bed. But if we made a mistake or want to add a new one, we can add a new crop. It adds it to the bottom of the list. Any edits will persist and send it to the database. And you can also delete a field. So if we added this dummy field, but then we realized, oh, we're not actually going to plant anything there, you can just delete the field. It makes you confirm, and then you delete it.
On this farm log page, you have three options. You can harvest, do sales, and then do your loss info as well. So we can do a harvest of the Detroit red beet. We'll put in the weight amount, and then you have a count amount that's optional as well to log that harvest. And then for the sales as well, we can do red beet again. And then we have different types where you can sell it, farmers market, wholesale, and we can put in the amount that was sold, log that sale. And then if you have any loss info, we can document that as well. And then we have different types of loss, the loss amount, and the weight as well. If we go over back to the dashboard, go down to our charts, we can actually select it now, and it'll give us those values for today and weekly totals as well. So each day the farmer can log on and put those in.
Functionality that we've got, they can actually upload a CSV file which will populate all of their direct seed to harvest time, the transplant times, and the transplant to harvest times. That gives them the functionality and the notifications to make sure that they're being taken care of from every step along the way. And that is the Harvest Assist program. We welcome any and all feedback or comments on it, and thank you.